아침 식사를 요리하고 있습니다. 아침 식사를 요리하고 있습니다. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 요리하고, because today we're going to study about 요리하다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 333. 요리하다. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. First syllable is yo, second syllable is ri, third syllable is ha, and fourth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 요리하다. 요리하다. The word 요리하다 is a verb which means to cook. Again, 요리하다 is a verb which means to cook. How do we write 요리하다 in Hangeul? This is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable yo, we need to talk first, and no sound or placeholder ing, followed by the yo character. For the second syllable ri, we need to talk first, a vl character, followed by an e character. For the third syllable ha, we need to talk first, a he character, followed by an a character. And for the fourth syllable da, we need to talk first, a dikat character, followed by an a character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangeul for each of these four syllables to form the Hangeul of the word 요리하다. Now, let's look at this example. It says, I am cooking breakfast. Again, I am cooking breakfast. The Korean translation of this is 아침 식사를 요리하고 있습니다. 아침 식사를 요리하고 있습니다. The Korean translation could be subdivided into two parts. The first part is 아침 식사를, which means breakfast. So 아침 식사 is breakfast and 를 is just added as an object particle. So for the next part, it's 요리하고 있습니다. So if you remember, our word for today is 요리하다, which means to cook. And 요리하다 is transformed into 요리하고 있습니다. So da is removed and it's changed into 고 있습니다. So 요리하다 becomes 요리하고 있습니다. And by adding that suffix, the 고 있습니다, the verb becomes a present action or a present progressive action. So 요리하다 is to cook and 요리하고 있습니다 means currently cooking or ongoing cooking. So if we combine these two, it becomes 아침 식사를 요리하고 있습니다, which means I am cooking breakfast. Looking back to this, we already know by now that the meaning of 아침 식사를 요리하고 있습니다 is I am cooking breakfast. And with that, you've just learned 요리하다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 323 to 332. Don't forget, our word for today, word number 333, 요리하다, which means to cook. The first word for our review is word number 332, 이상하다, which means to be strange. Next word for our review is 별로, which means not really. Next word is 죽, which means porridge. Next word is 갑자기, which means that was sudden. Next word is 요리, which means cooking. Next word is 쓰다, which means to write. Next word is television, which means television or TV. Next word is palda, which means to sell. Next word is 끝나다, which means to finish or to end. And the last word for our review is word number 323, palayo, which means faster or hurry up. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.